Hey, how's everybody doing? Tim Smith with Ocean's Digital Agency. I've got an exciting new feature we're unrolling. We were going to do it in January, but some things worked out that we got this set up and done earlier than we anticipated by a couple weeks. So we do have a lot of other things that are coming out, a lot with AI. This particular thing is it's a sales assistant. So I built this particular AI voice bot to demo our system. So you can input information in when you call in and it'll demo it as your business. So I'm going to exactly show you how to do it. We're going to call and just do it ourselves. I got the phone ready and we're going to call in. Let me put it on speaker and we'll show you how it works.
Hello, and thank you for calling. My name is Fiona. Would you like a demo on Ocean's Digital Agency's Voice AI?
Yes, please.
Great. Before we dive in, could you tell me a bit about your business? Like what industry you're in and who your primary customers are?
Yes, I own an asphalt maintenance business. The name is Kingdom Property Solutions. We do seal coating, paving, crack repair, pothole repair, and line striping for commercial and residential.
Thanks for sharing that. It sounds like Kingdom Property Solutions offers a comprehensive range of services. What types of customer interactions do you handle most often? Are you booking appointments, answering inquiries, or managing support issues?
So we do book appointments for estimates, and then we also do get some frequent asked questions, like how long is the sealer going to last, things like that, and how long do I have
Got
to
it.
stay off of it. So if you could ask some questions like that would help us out by doing the estimate, like how many square feet it is, whether it's commercial, residential, if they do need other services such as pothole repair, crack sealing, and line striping as well.
I can definitely help with that. Now, what tone and style would you like me to use when interacting with your customers? Friendly, formal, or casual?
Friendly professional.
Friendly professional it is. Let's jump into a quick role play to show you how I can assist your customers. Ready?
Yeah, Fiona, before you start, can you make sure that you get all the information they need as far as um, name, physical address, contact information such as phone number, email address, and that should be
Got
yeah.
it. I'll ensure to collect the name, physical address, contact information like phone number and email. Let's get started with the role play. Hello, and thank you for calling Kingdom Property Solutions. This is your voice AI assistant, Fiona. How can I help you today?
I'd like to get some asphalt work done.
Great. Could I have your name, phone number, and email address to get started?
Yes, Tim. Phone number is 123-45678910.
Thanks for that. And could you please provide your email address?
Yes, it's Tim at oceansdigitalagency.com.
Tim. Now, could you share the address where you'd like the asphalt work done?
Yes, 123 Main Street.
Thank you. Now, could you tell me if this is a commercial or residential property and if you need any additional services like pothole repair, crack sealing, or line striping?
Yes, it is a commercial property. I need to get seal coating done. We do have two potholes and some cracks, and then we'd also need the lines restriped.
Understood. I'll take care of the seal coating, pothole repair, crack sealing, and line striping for your commercial property. Would you like to schedule an estimate appointment?
Yes, can we do next Monday afternoon?
Sure thing. I'll pencil you in for next Monday afternoon. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss or ask about?
What is the date next Monday?
Next Monday is the 23rd of December. Would that work for you?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, Tim. Your appointment is set for December 23rd in the afternoon. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great
I
day.
do have some more questions about your AI features.
Of course. What would you like to know about the AI features?
Can you tell me the benefits of having AI doing this versus having a live person?
Few benefits of using AI. 1. Time savings. AI can handle routine tasks like booking and FAQs, freeing up your team for more important work. 2. Improved customer satisfaction. Customers get instant professional support anytime they need it. 3. Increased efficiency. AI reduces response times and ensures consistent service without missing opportunities. What do you think stands out the most to you?
The cost savings, I think, is the biggest benefit to me.
Absolutely. Savings can be a huge advantage. Many businesses find that the efficiency and time saved by using AI more than cover the investment. Would you like to explore how this could specifically benefit Kingdom Property Solutions?
Yes. I do have another question. If going back to the role play, can we jump back into that? I want to ask some frequent asked questions to see what you have.
Sure thing. Let's jump back into the role play. Go ahead with your frequently asked questions, and I'll do my best to assist.
So after it's seal coated, how long do I have to wait until I can drive on it?
Typically, you'll need to wait about 24 to 48 hours before driving on a freshly seal coated surface. This allows it to cure properly. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. What uh,
What would you like to ask next?
what temperatures does it need to be in?
Seal coating is best applied when temperatures are above 50 degrees Fahrenheit and there's no rain in the forecast. Anything else you're curious about?
No, that's it. As far as the frequent asked questions, um, I would like more information on the voice AI. Could you get me set up with that?
Absolutely. The next step is to schedule a one-on-one AI impact assessment with a representative from the Funnel Doc AI team. They'll help identify areas where AI can make the biggest impact in your business and create a tailored plan for integrating voice AI solutions. I'll have my assistant send you a text message shortly to finalize the appointment. Does that sound good?
It does. Thank you, Fiona. Okay, guys. So I actually hung up on her before she could finish, but the it's pretty cool. And just looking back 10 years ago, the technology wasn't there and how it is progressing. And for small businesses, this is great, especially like a hair salon. So, typically you go to a hair salon and the people answer the phone are the people doing the hair as well. So they're jumping back and forth. Same way with a pizza shop. How many times have you called in to order pizza and they put you on hold, which is understandable. They got customers in front of them because the counter person's the one doing that. So also when you go to pick your pizza up, you go there, you're up at the counter, they say, "Oh, can you wait a second?" They answer the phone, they put that person on hold. It's an annoying thing, but they can't help it because they're limited to their resources, the amount of people they have. So this fills that void, and it's a lot less money than what it is to have an employee. I mean, this costs you less than what you would pay an employee for an entire week. So the nice thing is we can fine tune this in the back office to answer questions a certain way. If you have frequent asked questions, we can put those in there and have it answered the way you want. And once we set it, it's done. Another cool thing is the way our system works is over time, it learns more and more and more information. There's frequent asked questions. I never put them in there. I gave her all the information on this recording when we did it, and she went with it. And it's kind of scary, but it's exciting at the same time. And another cool feature is if I wanted to at any point, I could have asked for a live person, and it would have she would have transferred me to whatever number is on file to get transferred to. So as a business owner, if you want to come to you or your project estimator or a certain stylist or whatever, you can just get it transferred to that. And we can even put it in there that gets transferred to different departments, sales, customer service, management, and anything you want. So reach out to us. the it we could do a video. This video could last an hour with all the technology that's out there. We're going to be doing some more videos showing different parts of the technology. Like some cool features is once we hung up the phone, it'll put a workflow in and it'll send an SMS, an email, whatever you want it to do, we can make it do that. Um, I'm going to put the phone number for my AI assistant in the comments below once this gets posted, and feel free to call it, talk about it. Uh, be nice to her. She's pretty cool, but I also get a recap of the entire conversation. So with your contact information. So the so go ahead and call it and try your business out on it. See what you think and see if it's something that you're interested in talking about. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day and be talking to you soon.